Welcome, my beautiful people. This is Desmond, the one who make installation with different.
Morning sun they rise for hill and valley.
Okay, if you have a brand new MOREPLEX decoder like this one and you face some challenges like CA cut outdated, like you are facing some problem like CA cut outdated or terminal not active. Okay, let me show you what happens when you face problem like that. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now with MOREPLEX Decoder, when you buy a brand new decoder and you face problem like
Nguagoh Energy and Construction Limited, shine your light on me. Solar power for the people.
when you on your MOREPLEX decoder, a brand new MOREPLEX decoder, and after scanning your channels, you will see CA cut is out of date. Now, you may think your technician is the cause of your problem, or you may think you got a bad decoder. No, your technician is not the cause of your problem. You didn't got a bad decoder in the market. But now, see what happens. You see what happens after scanning your channels. You screw into the channels like what I have here, your FTA channels. Now you play the channel. You see the channel will come on and play in seconds, and you go back to CA cut is out of date. Let's next to the next channel. See what happens. We go to the next channel. Next channel. You see what is happening. You see what is happening. You see what is happening. CA cut is out of date. CA cut is out of date. CA cut is out of date. Some show and go to CA cut is out of date. Please don't think your technician is the cause of your problem. Don't think you got a bad decoder. Let's go again. Let's go again. You see what is happening. You see what is happening. You see what is happening. Okay, like I said, do not put the blame into the technician, or do not put the blame by saying that I got a bad decoder. No, this problem can only be solved at the service center or at the manufacturer center. Now, after getting this decoder and you are facing this problem, after getting this decoder and you are facing these problems, quickly contact back your supplier or quickly contact back your distributor. Now, if you got a decoder from a supplier and you contact back that supplier, he may know how to target this fault or to solve your problem. So, if you have a problem like this, know that your decoder has not been registered. Your decoder has not been registered, because when your decoder is registered, you will not face that problem. Contact your supplier, or if you have a distributor, you contact a distributor. Now, when you contact your supplier and he cannot solve that problem, he will contact back his own distributor to solve that problem. So those are some of the problems people are facing these days on MOREPLEX Decoder. If you have a MOREPLEX decoder that you have been using it for some days or for some months or for some years, and you had this fault, it can still be solved. It can still be solved by contacting your supplier or distributor. They will update the system and their images will be restored. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. This is Desmond, the one who make installation with difference. Don't forget to share the video, turn on your notification bell. When else you have a problem like this, any new video, you will be the first to watch. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.